How to claim Google Ad credit? Let's get started. First, make sure you have a Google Ads promo code. These are often sent by email, offered through Google partners, or available via special promotions. Next, log into your Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Now click on Tool and Settings in the top menu bar. Under the Billing section, select Promotions. Click the plus button to add a new promo code. Enter your promotion code and click Submit. Most credits require you to spend a minimum amount within a specific time frame. For example, you might need to spend $25 in 30 days to unlock a $100 credit. Once you meet this spending requirement, the credit will be automatically applied to your account balance. No need to do anything else. And that's how you claim your Google Ads credit. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.